There was a climate change march going on, and lots of people in our school got involved.
And I thought that I would be hypocritical for attending, yet being offered an opportunity like this and turning it down.
Yes, it's good to be passionate and get awareness on the issue, but there's a whole other thing of actually doing something about it.
The project seemed like a great way to make some really positive changes.
Being in charge and being able to make a change is quite exciting for us.
So the first part, which was probably the hardest, was getting all the different sets of data, and that had a lot of emailing different teachers, the bursar.
To find out how much money went into travel and stuff. And we also spoke to some other members of staff about water and electricity.
We put together an electronic survey which we sent out to all students and staff, asking about how they currently travel to and from school. We found that most people travel by car, which was not surprising. Even fewer travel by public transport, and very few choose to walk or cycle.
We found out we think they emit like 64 tonnes if we include everyone's travel. And it's actually been really interesting to see just how much carbon is emitted by travel on a daily basis, just to and from school.
Showing people that data firsthand in assemblies and saying, look, this is where we need to change was really useful.
And then another thing we did as part of the solution is we visited the post office to see their solar panels.
But we don't really think we can go any further with that due to the school roof not actually being able to support solar panels.
I think it made us realise that small changes can make a great difference.
I've become more aware of how I can change sort of my personal habits.
And also the real goal is not perfection for some, but it's improvement for all.
Both this project this year and the experience of online teaching during lockdown has made me reconsider quite what we're doing within science, and I've changed it a little so that the younger ones have access to research projects within curriculum time, because I really feel it makes a huge difference. These skills are cross-curricular. They'll be using them in all walks of life, and so it's very, very important now that as schools we don't just teach them knowledge, that we actually teach them to be people of the 21st and 22nd century. Even if they don't go into science, the skills that they're learning will be transferable for any job that they eventually do.